role is to assist in the development and execution of marketing strategies and campaigns to promote a company's products or services. You'll work closely with the marketing team, including the marketing manager, to ensure that marketing initiatives are implemented effectively and efficiently. Key responsibilities of a marketing coordinator typically include campaign planning, assisting in the development of marketing plans and strategies, based on market research, customer insights, and business objectives. Content creation, creating and coordinating marketing content such as blog posts, social media updates, email campaigns, and promotional materials. Social media management, managing and maintaining the company's social media profiles and engaging with the online community. Digital marketing, assisting in digital marketing efforts, including search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and email marketing. Event coordination, assisting in the planning and execution of marketing events such as trade shows, conferences, and product launches. Market research, conducting market research to identify trends, competitor analysis, and customer preferences. Analytics and reporting, monitoring and analyzing the performance of marketing campaigns, providing insights, and preparing regular reports on key metrics. Collaboration, working with other departments, such as sales and design, to ensure alignment and consistent messaging across all marketing channels. Budget management, assisting in the management of the marketing budget and ensuring that resources are allocated effectively. Brand management, assisting in maintaining brand guidelines and ensuring consistency in branding across all marketing materials. Customer relations, engaging with customers through various channels to gather feedback, address inquiries, and maintain a positive brand image. Marketing automation, utilizing marketing automation tools to streamline processes and improve efficiency in campaign execution. The specific tasks and responsibilities of a marketing coordinator may vary depending on the size and nature of the company, as well as the industry in which it operates. Overall, the role requires a combination of creativity, organization, and analytical skills to contribute to successful marketing efforts and achieve the company's marketing objectives.